Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are interested in seeing how I turn this into this, then keep on watching.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas.
2 rolls of contact paper. I got these from Amazon. You're also going to need 12 medium flat rate boxes and 12 large flat rate boxes from the post office. And 2 poster boards, which I got from Dollar Tree, and a pair of scissors and some tape. We're going to start by folding and taping the flat rate medium boxes. And just keep folding and taping them up. We're almost done. I only ended up using 11 of the medium flat rate boxes. Now we're going to move on to the large flat rate boxes and get those folded and taped up as well. Now that we're all done with those, we're going to stack the large flat rate boxes into 2 rows of 6. And then you want to tape those 2 rows of 6 to each other, if that makes sense. You can see what I'm doing in the video. You're just taping those stack of 6 boxes, taping the boxes together.
Someone go tell Noel to get the backwards. Money got my whole family going backwards. No dinners, no holidays, no nothing. There's issues at hand that we're not discussing. Look, I did not sign up for this. My uncle used to have all these things on his bucket list. And now he's acting like, oh well, this is life, I guess not. Listen, man, you can still.
Next, we're going to move on to the medium flat rate boxes. You want to put down a row of 5 and tape those together too. And on top of that row of 5, tape 2 more boxes side by side directly in the center. If you don't understand what I'm explaining, then that's all right. You got this. Just watch the video and see exactly what I'm doing. Once you get those all taped together, go ahead and put them on top of your 2 stacks of 6 of the large boxes. Now I'm taking the last 4 medium boxes. I'm going to tape the last 4 of those together, but you see I'm trying to figure out how I want them to look, so I'm just turning them around and seeing which way looks the best to me. Next, I'm going to tape those 4 boxes together as well. Right here, I'm just making some adjustments and adding more tape to the boxes. I was kind of running out of tape, so I tried to tape the major things first. And now I'm just going back and I'm fixing all the loose ones so that my base is more secure. And this is the finished project. Can you guys see the vision? Yes, period. So now moving on to the first roll of contact paper. This is what the main color for my fireplace is going to be. Oh, and I did only show one roll of this pattern in the beginning, but I did run out of the first roll, and so I had to order a second roll. So whatever your main color is going to be for your fireplace, be sure to order 2 rolls of that and 1 roll of whatever your accent or hearth color is going to be, and that should be enough. And I also put the measurements for the length of the rolls that I used in the description box below, okay? So it's about 4 to 5 days later, and I just got the new roll of marble contact paper, and now I'm going ahead and finishing applying the contact paper. I do want to let you guys know that dealing with this contact paper is a headache. Like, it lumps up and has bubbles when you're trying to lay it down, and it's just very tedious to work with. But I feel like the finished product will definitely be worth it. So I don't know what happened with the camera, but it didn't catch the footage of me wrapping the top part of the fireplace with the black contact paper. So I did already wrap that. You just can't see it in the camera.
saying I'm done playing. Last time was on an outro. Stuck in the house, need to get out more. I've been stacking up like I'm fundraising. Most people in my position get complacent. Come places with star girls. End up on the front pages. I'm quiet with it, I just ride with it.
Now I'm going to take my 2 poster boards and tape them to the back of the fireplace, because you don't want to be able to look through the hole and see the wall. You want to give that realistic look of an actual fireplace. So that's why we're using the black poster board. All right, guys, so this is the final product. Yes, we had a lot of trials and tribulations, and it did take a long time, but I definitely think that it is worth it, and I love it. Be sure to hit the thumbs up button if you did enjoy this video. Also, leave me a comment down below if you have any questions or if you have any video requests for me. And make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. That way you're notified anytime I upload a new video. And until next time, bye guys.